I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Man, I just dropped a couple hundred. Shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I just dropped a couple hundred. Shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. See a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. I see it so clear. All my dreams right in front of me. Yeah, I see it so clear. I know what it takes, but I feel so far. So close, yet so far. I see it so clear. It's right there, but it feels so far. So close, yet so far. See, it starts with a spark. I mean, the real reason why you start trading in the first place, right? That little glimmer of hope, that vision you get of the life you wanna live, that desire, the one you think about all the time, but it feels so far away. And the problem with this desire is that it creates anxiety, impatience, frustration, and ultimately pain. So close yet so far. 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 Now, in my experience, there's only one way to get what you wanna, get to the life you wanna live, and it's through pain. The pain of self-reflection, of truly understanding yourself. The pain of knowing that your only enemy is you. The pain of knowing that your emotions control you. The pain of knowing that your emotional lack of control is the only thing that is stopping you. The pain of being real with yourself. And if you could sit with this pain for long enough, something magical happens. You unlock a superpower. You gain access to something that the majority of people don't have. Emotional discipline. So close yet so far. 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 Pockets getting tight, it's the end of the month, and you finally see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. I gotta be in. The charts calling out your name, and you see the play you need to make, and you think, man, and I miss it. The feel missing now, they got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in, and you know it probably gon' end up in a loss, man. It hard to just be patient, but you know you gotta wait for confirmation. 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 You gotta wait.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Oh, yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yeah. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah.
We don't do it for financial advice, pussy. It's entertainment.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when
Look at the dump. Holy shit. Bang, 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 bang. TV. Keep on the strong, stop losses at orb.
I said, my first day here. How often do you hit like this, Max? Every fucking day.
Back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max. It's May 12th at 9:29 in the morning. I'm already up $10,000. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I took a little pre-market hitter, and I got a little something out of it. So we're gonna have a great day today, ladies and gentlemen. I gotta tell you, I'm with the one and only Lama Rep Pajama, Mr. Sober Pay to Play. The market is gonna be live here in about 19 seconds. But I gotta tell you guys today, and if you're listening now, you know what this means. Today is a take profit trader show. You may have heard of them. It's called TPT. Today is a take profit trader sponsored show. So if you know from previous data to predict what's going to happen in the future, you have to say what's going to happen today.
Oh, there's a dump.
Wow, there's a number! And we are live.
There
I want to see what happens here today, Lama.
It could pop if we don't bleed.
I told
if we lose 170,
bleed,
it melts right to the money.
Yuck,
It breaks this, we go all the way down to 110, but I do want to see it kind of pop from this area.
Ooh,
that was on the fucking money.
I want to see a dumper. I'm not going to lie to you. I think it's been ripping every morning, and I want to see a fucking shit show down.
Right to the money, boys. Right to the money.
I want to see an absolute shit show of a drop.
Show it like at 67, just in case it does want to pop up on you. If it doesn't, it goes all the way down 107, maybe lower. Gotta see right here. The moan went right to the moan that was promised 3 years ago. 3,000 years ago, pulled out there. Let's see if this holds. Let's see what happens here now.
Sam. Sam, you better go fucking short, Sam. You better go short to 140. She should be in the short. She said it was going to go to 140 and rip, right?
Yeah, this can get below here.
SPX looking pretty damn berry right now. I mean, let's see what NQ's got to say.
It's got to do a clean print above. It's got to do a clean printage. If not, it's a smoky thonny.
Are we going up? Are we going down? Is Lama
now you just
wearing pants?
Gotta wait.
Is Lama wearing pants?
No pants.
Let's ask ourselves the ultimate question here, chat. Is
straight
Lama,
booty cheeks on chair?
Is Lama wearing draws or not? That's the only thing I can think about right now. I mean, if we're talking business, if we're talking serious business, is Lama wearing pants or not right now? That's what we need to know. That's what we need to figure out.
Can I reset my chart? Why? What's going on with my chart? Or would I reset the chart?
We got
What's
an
going on with it?
MVG right below, and I just
What's
feel
going
like
on with it?
we could hit.
Meat to chair, yes. We currently have testiculars just resting on cloth.
What?
Testiculars just resting on top of the chair.
What?
Very tricky area, guys. Gotta be patient here.
No, what did you just say?
I said I have no draws on, no nothing on. I got fucking balls on the chair right now. Straight balls on the chair. Nutsack. Y'all feel? Oh, yes, it's kind of weak here. Yes, needed to play catch up a long time ago.
You pressing leather right now?
What?
You pressing leather right now?
Right now, as we're speaking. Right now, as we're speaking, leather is getting pressed.
I like that. Something about that smells good.
Do the dolphin? It's called the sea lion.
Who just called the fucking dolphin the sea lion? Who just called the sea lion the dolphin? Who did that? It's too early in the morning for your shit, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's too early in the morning for your shit. Too early. I'm not even gonna entertain that. Not even gonna entertain that.
Looking like it might want to do a pop here, but it's such a tricky area for me.
I mean, a little break and retest up to 200 makes sense. A little BNR up to 200 makes sense. I would rather see that than a drop down right here. I'd rather see a little BNR. SPX looking very weak. I want to see if this potential Treasy is invalidated or not. I'm inclined to go for a short if SPX breaks below 80. That's what I'm looking at. Or if NQ decides to get above 89 here and 3 bars up to 200. That makes a lot of sense as well. Let's see if we got a pop up right there.
Here,
there we go.
Looks good.
There we go. There we go. Nice breakup. I want to see the BNR. I want to see it take that 200. Bam. There's the test of 200. There's the test of 200 right there. And let's see how it reacts right now off that 200 level. Let's see if we get some motion in the ocean.
Area here. Look how weak ES is right now.
Let's see if we get some motion in the ocean, baby. Bam. Nice looking drop right there. Nice looking BNR. There's the short right off the 200, baby. Right off the fucking 200. Beautiful, beautiful. I want to see dumpilation right here. Yep, I want to see full dumpilation right there off that BNR off the 200. Almost a Treasy SPX. Come on down to 75. And this is going to be a huge trade. Let's see if we can see. There's been a lot of support around this 70 level on NQ. So if this breaks, I have full confidence that we're going down, 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 down. There it goes. SPX down to 75. Looking good. Looking real fucking good. 50 points right there off the 200 rejection. 50 points off the 200 rejection.
This, I want to see 110.
Cooking with fucking gas right now.
Just gotta break this here.
Cooking with gas. Bam. Newer low right there on the board, ladies and gentlemen. Newer low right on the board. I'm taking some profit right here. Taking some profit right here.
It's a thick joint.
Beautiful BNR.
Yeesh. 60
beautiful BNR right off the 200, baby.
Right on the ooey.
Ooh. Sexual. That was a wonderful 50 points. I'm out. That was a nice 50 pointer right there. I want to see a little pop up on SPX. And get ready, get set, because I will re-enter that fucking short, baby. I will re-enter that short. I want to see it dump right back down.
Looks like it's not done yet.
SPX looking very bearish on all time frames. I want to see it dump back down. I think we got to get it to at least 70, 74. There it goes. SPX.
I want to see it flip back down.
There's no way we don't test that 34, 35, or 74, 75, excuse me. A break back up to 200. W pattern up could be very
Beyblades. Cool. Max, did you play with Beyblades?
No, I never did. No, I never played.
You're already too old for that.
I think so. I think when I played Pogs. You know what
Play
a
what?
you know what a pog is? I play with pogs, twin.
Pods?
Pogs, twin, fat ass white girls.
Ah,
There we go. I want to see a 3-bar down.
brother.
Give me that 75. Here we go. Looks bearish as
Yep,
bearish
yes,
can be.
continuing here. I want to
Give
see
me
a
that
full move down to
75.
100, bro.
I want to see the newer low
Really
right
want to
here
see
on
a full move
NQ.
down to 100.
I want to see the newer low right here on NQ. I'm telling you, I got an alert set right here, 74 and a couple quarters. SPX giving a little pop. NQ's fighting. It's fighting. It wants to go
He's
so
strong,
long.
bro.
NQ is strong.
It is hella strong.
NQ is strong, but not as strong as SBX. Get your sweet ass down to 75. So I can be
That
done
shit's
for the day.
strong.
Get your sweet ass done for the day. Guys, remember?
That joint is strong, my boy. I don't know. It's got to get weak now. Like, look how weak ES is. NQ's strong, bro. Oh, 50 points back up.
NQ strong?
Kind of worth just like clicking the button up there and seeing what happens. But it's like, I don't know. Just because it's good range, or if you click it up here and it falls back down, it's good. But I don't know. It's kind of strong, bro.
It looks bearish to me on
NQ's a fucking
everything still is downtrending to me.
60-point
So
candle.
right. I mean, everything's
Shit's
downtrending.
fucking up 60 points. Like, it's fucking huge.
Big boy 200 right here. Big boy 200 test right here. Look at that. Big boy, real bad man 200 test right
still
here.
hanging out down here. Look at this. Still hanging out. That's fucking crazy.
Let's see what happens right there. Wow. SPX, yeah. Just vibing.
The button here?
There goes.
Oh, no.
Let's see if this 200 holds now. What's the next PT structure is around 200.
I have 240 all the way up top. If it goes to 240, it's going to be fucking crazy.
Yeah, it's breaking
Which
this
it looks
range.
like it could, because if ES wants to do a little pop, it'll bring NQ all the way up here. That'll be the like proper divergence for it to then fall. I don't know. I don't want to fuck with this.
I want to fuck with it. Look at it. It's breaking out above 200. I definitely want to fuck with it. I definitely want to fuck with it. Look at that breakout. You don't want to mess with that? You sure?
Rather just let it go to 240 and then just take a short.
I know you like it big.
I feel like the long doesn't have like...
Bro, you really don't know what pogs were?
Pogs? The fat ass white girls.
No. Pogs, twin. You really didn't know what pogs were?
Nah, twin. Nah, I don't know. What year was that?
Yeah, that's a good question. That's a good question. What year was
You know
that?
what I'm saying?
Right. I don't know.
The real question is, what year was that?
I don't know.
Question.
I don't know what year that was, to be honest with you. If I'm gonna keep it a buck with you right now, I don't have a fucking clue what year that was. I'm guessing
90s. I wasn't even born yet.
You pissed me off.
What are y'all talking about?
You really pissed me off.
Like in the 90s, guys? What are we talking about here?
Nice rip up here, guys. I'm telling you, the long still looking really fucking good on that break above 200. W pattern, everything's looking good above that 200. Everything is looking
240 tab. I kind of want to see this.
I like it above. I like it above. Sam, that's all time.
Breaks this.
Nope, not yet.
I'm bamboozled. But this is, if it breaks this, we go 300, and then it's like, at that point, it's like, damn.
There it goes. Look at this. Hold on. That break over 2. W pattern break was a no fucking joke today. Wow. W pattern, but SPX is still bare. Oh, watch this. Watch this. Sniping the fucking short. All in snipe on the short at 30.
Solid 240 rejection for 30 points, but it's not. It has to print below for it to be any good.
I'm going in on the short at fucking 35, and I'm seeing what happens. I'll stop out above a new high at 49.75.
It's got to really just print good here. Like, that's a good rejection, but without fucking actual candle closure, like it's just a troll move.
I'm troll. I'm a
that
troll.
Type of wick out is devious to me, bro.
I'm a troll.
35-point down move just to wick out.
I'm a troll.
It's good rejection, but
42,
no good.
43, 45. Stop me, baby, one more time. My
Yeah, this is gonna make
money
its way to 300.
out with a $500 L right there.
This might make its way all the way to 300 here. If this doesn't fall right now, we're gonna see a 300 tap.
God, NQ's so bullish, but SPX testing the midline potential here. When do I go for it? One more. Look at that fucking ripper. Oh my God, that break at 200.
I have it going for like 30 more points, but I don't know. Use fib on YM past my FFF 1700 on the short. There you go.
Nice job. Nice job,
There you
King.
go.
This is not usually a continuation candle right
This
here.
print should give, continuation. I want to see 300s.
Yeah, this is always a continuation candle. There it goes. There it goes. That's always a continuation
See
candle.
if it just goes all the way 300 and you know, like we're right there. I don't know why it would stop here.
I'll be going for the next test at 3.
Three's where I'd be like very interested in the short. Like very, very interested in the short around here.
I'm okay preloading it if SPX is still this bearish. I mean, NQ
not this far.
Wildly high compared to
If we get
SPX.
up to like 80s, 85s, I could get a few in.
I didn't even realize the market was down when we opened at all.
If we can get up to like the 80s, 90s, I'll get one in just cause. But for now, it's still 20. Like I don't want to see a 20-point move and then I'm just draw down 20. I'd rather just draw down 10, 15. If it's gonna go, just gotta start looking clean. At this point, I might as well just wait, right? This fucking
300? Absolutely.
It's right there. It's fucking 20 points away.
Let that shit fucking run. Here, just see the pop. Should see a pop. Gotta pop it.
Going.
You gotta pop it. Jar Beckles. I am in shock.
Basically right there.
SPX did not go down to 15.
Basically right there. I'm just
got orb in a minute,
brother.
Got orb in a minute. I mean, this is a no-brainer. We're gonna smack that fucking orb trade. And I'm gonna go heavy. Here we go. 9:45, baby. Here we are. NQ popping orb.
There goes
SPX.
the 90. Yep. All right. This is where you want to just kind of just get some in and see what happens. Realistically, this is where you kind of look at the reaction. 20 points already. 20 points already. Hold the phone.
No, NQ.
Hold the phone and call me fucking Kelly Clarkson.
Why would I call you Kelly Clarkson?
Let me think on that one and then I'll let you know.
Get back to me on that. I want to know.
Let me think on that and then I'll let you know.
I want to know why I should call you Kelly Clarkson.
Just let me think on it and then I'll let you know.
All right, that's fine.
You just gotta see it now if this is gonna give a proper reaction. That's good enough. 20 points there. If we can actually catch the next candle, it goes straight to 250 with volume, and you're gonna be like, "Oh my god, wow, Kelly Clarkson, you show me." And I'm gonna be like, "Yeah, I know, yeah, I know."
SPX still climbing right here.
Break of that. This little wick and flip might be the break even just because there's zero confirmation on the trade yet, other than just anticipation levels going to work.
No, I'm short here until SPX can climb back above 90.
Oh my god, you dirty bitch. Straight volume to the 250. OMG. Wow, it's so crazy. Kelly Clarkson.
Hold on.
Wow, Kelly Clarkson. Everyone take a partial, please. Take a partial, please. Take a partial, please. Oh my god.
Shut up. I was in fucking 9 minis. Hold on.
Oh wow. It's just so crazy. Holy shit. Holy shit.
On 2900.
Without a print through a 40, this is so strong.
This is the SPX just broke midline and stop loss for me is at break even. Yep. Trimmed one.
Break even's already sitting. See if it fucking pulls you out or not. That was one of the most insane 50-point reactions I've ever seen. And I got a 1 in the chat if you took that trade.
I want to see the continuation.
Lucky number
I'm
1 in
up 4
the chat.
bands. I'm up 4 bands. I want to see the continuation.
You got a lucky number 1 in the chat if you were in that trade, please.
I'm trimming one more out. This could go to a newer low.
This low. If we break, we're gonna break.
Go to a newer low.
Like,
SPX 75 still. Interesting. Hold on. I'm up 4,800.
Yeah, I'm fucking printing right
5,400.
now. Hold on, I'm printing right now.
6,000. Here we go.
Hold on, I'm printing right now. Hold on. Hold on, I'm printing right now. Hold on, I'm
Oh,
printing right now. Hold on, I'm printing right now. Hold on,
7,500.
I'm printing right now. Hold on, I'm printing right now. Hold on, I'm printing right now. Hold on, I'm printing
9,000.
right now.
I'm trimming one more. Hold on.
Yep, gotta take a trim at this midline, and then if we break this midline, we're gonna see all the way down to 100. This might be a whole 200-point trade within like 5-10 minutes. Just wait on it.
Oh, SPX to 75 is my final PT. If we break midline on NQ, it's a no fucking brainer. It's a no brainer. I'm going to trim one more.
Bitch.
Wow.
Oh my God, there's midline.
9K.
Just break it.
9K.
Just break it. Just break it. Just break it and go. Break it and go. Break it and go. Break it and go. Break it and go.
No. Don't get above midi.
Oh, don't do this. Don't do this.
Right,
Just break it and go.
I'm taking one more there.
We catch a doji here. Next candle is going to be volume straight
Take
down.
one
So I
more
want to see
there.
it kind of up and then a doji. Up and a doji, and we're so good here.
Easiest.
Up doji, and we're so good here.
Go. Dump it. Dump it.
Oh my
Dump
God.
it.
Come on, bitch. 10 points away, and we're 100 points in profit.
Bro, SPX Golden MVG is sitting at 75. Hit it. 3 points away. There's no way we don't fucking tap a Golden MVG on the fucking 5-minute chart. There's no fucking way we don't drop to 75. I will be disgusted at Jock. I'm up 5 bands.
Hold on.
Not letting this. I'm not even worried about this
Gonna
little
wick out here, and we could.
No, I don't even care about that win. A Treasy through mid.
Waking out.
Bro, a Treasy through mid. There goes SPX. There goes SPX. Break 76. There it goes. Show me 75, baby. Come on.
Give me straight volume.
I'm trimming one more here at midline. I got it. Every time it stalls at midi, I'm trimming one. Every time it stalls at midline, I'm trimming one.
I'm fucking around.
Bro, there's a whole ass golden MVG right here at 75 in a couple quarters.
I don't understand. 30 looks rough.
I don't understand.
You see a 30-second wick out now, bro. If not, it's a problem.
I'm still holding the short. I'm not gonna let that shake me. I'm not gonna let that shake me. That data candle might get fucking filled, but my entry is about 78. So I'm not even stressing about that. I'll take the 15 points to hold. I trimmed 5 cons out.
But you really don't want to see it cross 40.
Watch this wick down over midi. Dump to 75 SPX. We'll call it a day, chat. Chat.
There you
dump
go.
to 75.
There you go.
NQ back below midi. And we call it a day, chat.
There you go.
Give me the buzzer.
Just give us volume. Just give us a little bit more volume here, and we're fucking printing.
Give me the buzzer. Come on.
Oh, man. I kind of want to take a partial the way we're stalling here.
Full closure at the bell.
Come on.
Full closure at the bell.
Come on.
Bro, the golden MVG is right there. It's right
there. Come on. Break here.
2 more points.
Break here. Dog, it's right there. Shit is trimming.
I'm about to trim one more, stalling at midline.
Yeah.
Hold on, wait. I'm going to give it another 15 seconds. See how this candle closes. There we go. Hit the bell for him, baby. Hit the fucking bell for him, baby. Boom. 75 on the dot. Closing one more con. Boom. Hit a continuation. If this continuation is an unforeseen continuation, then this is pay.
All right. Boom. Took most of my positions off right then and there. Yep. And I'm leaving the last trail at 32. What a fucking move. Craziest 100 points. Fucking precision.
I'm still holding the short. It's stalled at midline. I got 2 minis trailing.
Jesus Christ.
1,300 each. I'm still holding 2. I'm not going to let these go. Fuck that. I'm not
fully
gonna
trailed, bro. I do not give a fuck what happens. I do still want to see 100 and see a whole 200.
Here we go. There it is, baby.
I still want to see us all the way down to the 100.
Golden MVG. Hold on. I'm holding still. I got one more full at a break of 74, and I'm holding the short.
Until we hit, bro, 100.
I'm holding the short still. I'm up 1,800 a contract. I'm holding the short still. I'm not letting it shake me out. SPX breaking orb to the downside. Stop loss now at NQ midline right above it, probably around 20. That's 52 points stop loss. We're in stop loss. 52 points, chat. That's over $1,000 a contract. $1,000 a contract. I didn't even get in at 300. I got in at 70 fucking 7.
Bro,
And stop
they
loss.
say you cannot top tick every day. You know what I say to those people? You watch the Big Daddy Morning Show, pussy. Watch the Big Daddy Morning Show every fucking day. Every day.
Every day, baby. And Daddy is
I have a trail sitting. My trail's sitting. I'm not gonna lie to you.
tapped out.
At 40. I have a trail sitting at 40, right on top of this.
Give me a fucking profit roll call. Give
Just
me a
in case we
profit
test.
roll call right now in the chat. If you fucking just hit a little something, throw the profits in the chat, baby. Let them
I'm fully
know.
out. Crazy. 47 bans from Radigan, 600 from C Birch, 222 from Rod, 2,000 across 5 accounts from Yuck, 400 across for Athena, Rob with 1,400, Fifasita with 1,200 across the accounts, Javon with 1,000, Sneaky with 200, Bax with 800, 5 Guys with 300, Greg
Lama,
with 960.
I am probably going to test along because every data candle the last few days has been eaten up. So I might try and ride this back up from 20 all the way to 65.
Fucking crazy, bro.
I'm up a band. I might try and ride this all the way back up to
Crazy.
65 just because these data candles have been getting eaten every single day. If we break midline here on SPX, I would expect the next candle or two to get us up there. So that midline break, let's see how SPX acts on midline here. But if it goes green, I might try and ride this up to eat that whole impulsive news, whatever candle that was. That all the way back up to 66, which is a clear 20 something, 30 points from here. Let's see if it gets back up there. And I have noticed all the unforeseen like impulse candles have been getting swallowed up whole. Nom recently. So I will try and ride that thing and risk what fucking 1/9 of my profits. Gabba gabba goo, gooba gabba goo, gabba gabba gooba gooba gabba gabba goo. Guys, don't forget today, Take Profit Trader, baby, 50% off sale. Make sure you guys are locked in with that. And we are going to have a great show for you guys today. Nope, there's a stop out right there. Did not eat no data. You know what? Maybe I go for a 60-point move.
Wanna see the 100s, the 107. I see, yeah, like 107 is what I want to see here. Make our way to 170, break that, and it's over with.
Rejection SPX midline.
Making its way. New low approaching. We marked it out for y'all. You know what we were looking for here. I'm just
nice
saying,
499 dono from
Raheem.
Raheem 490. Bang, that's the full gap.
You heard that lately.
That's the full gap right there, chat. That means SPX has no target below for Big Daddy besides an orb break here. So I am gonna watch if SPX breaks 74. I'm gonna ride that.
Break that 74. I want to see 100, and I told you this is room for a 200-point trade. The retest marked it out for y'all. This is what you wanted to see hold for continuation.
There goes the sell signal.
Here we're breaking. There's orb break paired up with a fib level break. You want to see this continue to fall. You want to see it continue to fall.
There's the sell
Give
signal.
us a fucking 200-point trade.
Beautiful push right there, bro. Oh God.
Give us the fucking 200-point trade and stop fucking with me.
I was never letting go of a short today. Ever, Sam. Was never letting go of the short.
Give us the fucking 200-point trade, you dirty bitch. 150 points in profit. Let's keep going here. We're 50 away.
On the orb break, I'm up 1,200. And stop losses at break even. I'm up 2 bands, 2,200, 2,250, 2,400, 2,350. Stop loss at 68 and holding. Stop loss at
You
60.
want to see a full bleed here? A full fucking bleed on NQ is gonna be crazy if we get a full bleeder. A full bleed out of Orbis. There's the fucking volume
I'm
right
up
through it. We
3,700.
want to see continuation. Just continue melting here.
Stop loss down to 55. Stop loss down to 55, locking in 1,700
Do
in
not want to
profit.
see a wicked flip.
Yep, wicked flip.
ES
That's what I'm
cannot
scared
break
of. I'm
back
out.
in here.
I'm out. I took that right there, and Q popped right back into orb. I took that right there. Quick 2,200. Quick
Do
22.
not want to see ES break back in. NQ, fine. ES, as long as it doesn't break back in, we get a 3-bar straight out of it and we continue holding.
SPX looks bearish, baby. Let's fucking go.
Come
That
on, give me my fucking 200 points, you bitch.
that is it for me for the day.
Give
Easiest.
me my fucking 200 points, you fucking bitch. 120, we're 10 points away. I'm just saying you could do better. I don't like the hesitation. I might have to just take a. Let's wait on it. Let's wait on it. There's a 3-bar. There's a 3-bar through that we wanted to see. Now you want to see the 1 minute really just continue here. 30-second looks fucking expeditious right now. Expeditious, but ES is now slowing down. It's not taking the low. We need to see the low get taken on both. I have a major problem with that. Major problem with that. There's the orb retest. There's the wick off of it. You want to see a flip and go here. A full flip and go. I might have to drop a trail all the way to 50 and say, fuck it, bro. I don't think I want to fuck with it anymore.
That was a
my God.
crazy
There's the
drop.
wick and flip.
Let's ask the CEO of TPT, Mr.
Go
James Sixsmith, what he thinks about that drop, baby. What is Mr. Sixer giving up for? Throw some TPTs in the chat for the CEO of Take Profit
20?
Trader, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. James Sixsmith is with us.
110.
What's up? What's up, Max? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, baby, we can hear. Wow, we can hear him.
113 is low key the full TP, guys. Here, 113 is the full TP. Close that.
I'm figuring this shit out, man. This Discord thing.
You're doing a fucking hell of a job. I'm very. First of all,
This was the full close right here.
Unbelievable to have you on the show, James. We love having you back. You guys are going crazy right now. I just went crazy on your accounts right now on the short. That was the fucking thing. Are you in any trades right now, James?
I am not. I'm trying to.
James, brother, where you been, my boy?
I'm not. I'm working over here trying to make TPT the best on the planet. I don't got time to be catching a short.
What do you mean making? What is it not the best on the planet right now? Because 50% off TPT, pretty fucking hard to say it's not on top right
now. Yeah. Thanks for pointing that out, Big Daddy. But yeah, we're excited about what's coming. You know, I know last time I talked to you, I told you we had some tech coming. There were a couple hiccups, but I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. But there should be something, dropping. If all things go well tonight, and into tomorrow, that you'll see. So pretty excited about that, and that's really what we've been working on for the last couple of weeks of, with this, no fee 50, rolling out, what we're calling the TPT scorecard, which again, fingers crossed, will roll out, into tomorrow. So
when you explained the scorecard last time, I was extremely interested in it because it will the in-depth knowledge of helping me as a trader understand when I'm taking my most losses and being able to use that data. I'm all about data. Like I may look like a very attractive bodybuilder, but in reality, I'm a data nerd. I'm an absolute fucking data nerd. I love statistics and data. So I know that is going to be huge.
Yeah, I think for the first time, the traders are really, both the good and the bad, right? You'll be able to see, when you, like you said, when you do well, whether that's time of day of the week, whether that's like your expectancy, which there's going to be a lot of videos that come out explaining each of the, the metrics and what it means, but starting to get your head around what makes you a good trader, or, what is expectancy? What are these things of, next time I click the mouse, is my expectancy ticking up? Is it ticking down? You know, is
Right.
it a Tuesday? Why do I suck on Tuesdays, right? Like, what is it? What is it in my routine that I'm just not doing well? Or
I
Sunday
do
nights
suck
when the
on
market
Tuesday.
opens. So yeah, and there's also, you know, just having that data at your fingertips and being able to, you know, really start to understand and be aware of your tendencies because, you know, the market changes too. You know, overnight sessions sometimes can trend and you can do well in the overnight session, or sometimes the overnight session chops and you don't do well in the overnight sessions, or
Right.
slows down on Friday and you really struggle on Fridays. Maybe you don't trade on Friday afternoons or something like that. So just being able to see all of that stuff in one place
Right.
and track your performance over time, I think it's something that, to be frank, like you should have done earlier at TPT. But you know, we're excited about where it's going, whether it's, you know, a year too late or whatever. But I'm really excited, and I think you guys are gonna love it.
I think everyone's gonna love it. To be honest, I mean, you're breaking down sports level fucking statistics individually here. You're giving every trader their NFL level stats, right? Like you're breaking them down. Like, hey, dumbass, you suck in the paint on Tuesday. You know, maybe take the day off or size down, but on Thursdays you're an absolute dump monster. And like you said, markets fluctuate and strategies don't always work in different market conditions. And it's
Yeah.
important to know that. Are you going to be doing just trader level statistics and data, or are you going to be also providing like overall market statistics data that kind of match that?
Well, it's really on there'll be three filters. Sorry, my thing's blowing up. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the it's really about you as a trader, right? Broken down into, test, pro plus. So you can get granular and see is like, am I doing the same in my pro accounts that I'm doing in my test accounts? Am I doing the same in my pro plus accounts that I'm doing in my pro accounts? You know, because that's really important to you guys because we hear a lot of things like, hey, um, you know, I'm not doing so well in Pro Plus. Why is that? Why am I not doing well in Pro? I do great in Test and Pro. Why
Sixer,
am
you
I
beautiful
struggling in Pro
man.
Plus? Well, the reason
We
is
want to
that,
see TPT on
you
wealth
know, the
charts. Will
fills
we
may
see
be
this
not
in
as
the
good,
updates?
right? In Pro Plus, and it's harder. So like maybe you need to reevaluate the strategy, right? Of hey, if I want longevity in this market, then I've got to figure out a way to maybe back away from the market a little bit and make my strategy work in live as well as it does in test. Or you know, potentially the other way around too is like, man, like when I get to Pro Plus, I do great, but like it takes me too many tries. Maybe I'm trying to go too fast through test or something like that.
Right.
And when I get to Pro Plus, I really start to slow down and I start to trade a lot better. So why am I blowing all of this money
Right.
taking all these tests when like if I just slowed down a little bit, I'd get to Pro Plus a lot quicker and a lot cheaper. So
Mhm.
yeah, I
I
think
take
that
a
there's
lot
a
of
lot.
tests. Logan takes a
Yeah.
lot more tests than I do, but we take some real tests, baby.
Yeah, but Max, that's the thing is like we see that across the board is people try to rush through tests and you know and I understand why because they want to get to the point where they can make money.
Right.
And again, scorecard's going to help with that because scorecard's going to show you you know your tendencies and whether
Right.
you change those tendencies or not, well, that's up to you, but it's just the awareness level, right? That currently is not there unless you're going into, if you're trading at Tradeovate, going into your Tradeovate account and trying to sift through, you know, accounts, and then some of those accounts disappeared because you lost them, and you really just are constantly feel like you're starting from scratch.
Yeah. No, 100%. Let me ask you something about TB. Do you guys have any talk about possibly expanding to other platforms?
Yeah, we're in a conference room right now, together talking about just that. So,
Okay, very cool. Yeah, because I know that seems to be like there's a hot wave platforms that have been, a lot of the props have been incorporating. You have your wealth charts, you have your open sea, you have your, other platforms that traders are diving on, for
mhm.
different reasons and stuff like that. TPT though, you guys have been strictly on Trade of Eight for the longest. Obviously, you have the longest probably relationship with them than anyone really. So is there any talk at TPT in greater expansion?
Yeah, I mean, not only to the platforms you mentioned, but also to, you know, put some proprietary stuff that gives the trader more mobility, potentially with, you know, let's call it like maybe an app or you know, some stuff that's not out there for that
Yeah.
everybody else is using, and you know, and I think that there's value in that. There's value in the charts that everybody's used to, right? Being, you know, brand agnostic with charting. You mentioned well charts, trade C. Like trade C is basically rhythmic, you know,
Right.
on with the
Right.
trading view front end and some bells and whistles. Like I think you're going to see the market start to move there into some um yeah, some proprietary stuff, but continuing to use. We're going to continue to lean on our, you know, our partners, the tried and trues of the world, and because to me, like our traders, they want something simple, right? They want
Right.
something simple that works, that's reliable. When you start to go out and start to go to some more of the obscure, untested platforms, that's when you start to run into problems.
Right.
Um, with, "Oh, man, like, the platform crashed," and we don't wanna get into those situations where so we wanna make sure, again, we're slower and methodical, I know, but,
Right.
making sure that when we put something out there that we hope that it
I
works.
remember there was a lot of issues several conversations ago we had about like third parties were just screwing you guys. Like and there's nothing you could do about it because it's like,
Yeah.
hey, we're handling everything on our end, but we got this third party that's just, you know, fucking delayed,
Yeah,
late data news, everything's cooking us right now. And
I would
unfortunately,
say yeah, I wouldn't say that they're really necessarily fucking us. They're trying their best, but, like,
right,
when you don't have control over it, that's tough because then, you know, you do rely on them, and again, they're trying their best. We're not throwing anybody into the bus, but
right,
when we would just like to have it more, you know, rely on ourselves if we could, so that if, you know, if I suck, that's because I suck. It's not because,
right.
you know,
Hmm.
somebody else sucks and then I have to wait around for them. So to answer your question, that was a, you know, a long conversation about platforms and stuff. We're constantly evaluating the stability and, you know, weighing again. That's where I'm sitting right now in a conference room with the team discussing technology and like,
And I
you
know you
know,
guys are living good because I see Saratoga in the background. Damn, so you living
Mhm.
real good, Saratoga in the
Living too
background.
good.
I know basic
Living too
bullshit in
good.
that conference room. I've been eyeballing those fucking blue glass bottles. Yeah, I cooked some TPT max fucking allocation yesterday, baby, and it felt hella good. There's just something about it that always feels good. Last week I was absolutely ripping some pro accounts, and then I got bored at 3 p.m. and fucking just dominated those accounts. I mean, it was probably the worst exhibition of trading I've ever done. Boredom trading. Let me ask you something. So, with the data that you guys are getting right, we just had the fastest incline in stock market history. 28% on the Nasdaq, 6,000 points in 2 weeks. I don't know if even thousands of people watching. I don't know if you guys even know this. You're living in history. You're trading history right now. Is the fastest rebound incline in market history, 28 fucking percent in the last 12 days. And do you guys notice the data like when something like this happens, you know, no one could have expected that. And does TPT, do you guys have to like what do you do when you're like, man, fucking going up? Like, does that matter at all?
yeah,
Or
Loading.
it's a really good question, Max. The the volatility regime matters a lot. Like how much volatility there is matters a lot. You know, because we've been in, you know, a lot of fucking dip mode for 30 years, it feels like now.
right,
Generally, like generally the traders do better. You guys as a whole, when we're talking about a whole universe of traders, do do much better when the market goes up.
right,
Right? And it's because, like, you know, everybody's just so used to what works, buying the dip until it doesn't, and then, like, you know, generally when the market goes down, the traders again, I'm talking in broad strokes here. There are exceptions to the rule, but generally
right,
when the market goes down or the volatility kicks back up and you take the elevator down, typically the traders don't do very well for a couple days and then they catch on because and it's like trend following, a lot of trend following. And then, you know, buy the dip at first and if it doesn't work and it continues down, then they start, you know, hopping on and chasing it.
right,
The market keeps going, that works, right? The choppiness is where we see traders struggle, and I think in general, as a discretionary trader, even the very best traders hate choppy markets because you can't really get a feel of what's going on. It goes up, You think it's going up, it comes back down. You think it's going down, and the market doesn't go anywhere, and you've blown 47 accounts in the meantime. Trying to figure out where
At
the market's.
least,
Mhm.
at least 47. I mean, fuck. I think American Express knows Take Profit Trader on my credit card. I think they just know. Like if someone stole my credit card at this point, James, and started running up TPT accounts, they would never flag it as fraud. They would never
Never.
flag it as fraud. They would just be like totally on par. This guy's fucking letting it rip again. He's dog shit trader max. Let me are you doing any trading in this market? You doing any fun any options
Me?
trades? You fucking with metals still, or what are you doing?
Fucking with
Yeah,
coppers?
yeah. I mean, I think I told you this before. I'm more of like a multi-day swing trader at this point, just because it's hard to be it's hard to be looking at the screens on a 5-minute or a 3-minute or a 10-minute candle for me. There's a lot of stuff going on at TPT, and generally, Max and Lama and everybody in your group, I think generally for traders, trading becomes easier when you step back. Right? And I don't mean you need to be an intraday swing trader, like multi-day swing trader, but just being able to play general hypothesis in the
You're
market.
not
And
as attached when you're like swing trading. You're just kind of seeing what happens for the next couple of days. You're just like drawdown
well,
doesn't
yeah, Lama, but you
matter.
can do it also. You can do it intraday. Like you can be an intraday swing trader. So generally, even when I was day trading, I would have a general idea of what I thought the market was doing based on what it's done in the past. I saw you guys were showing, hey, this is where the market closed yesterday, like kind of big levels and
James, I'm sorry. Is that
building.
your phone going fucking berserk?
Yeah, it is. Let me it's my iMessage on my let me quit.
Yeah, can you shoot
Um
that? Can you shoot it?
yeah, it's still going.
All right,
I'm a
good.
popular guy, Max. What can I tell you?
No, Jesus, popular is an understatement. Is everything okay? Like, do you have I
Yeah.
feel like is there an emergency?
No, no. It's
Let me
yeah, it's
can you give me a piece of advice? So I actually dip on leap options a couple weeks ago. I went heavy on leap options, 40, 50K across all the tech. And I sold at the next fucking resistance level, and then it ripped 4,000 more points.
3,000
And,
more
and I've
points.
missed out on 6 figures. And you're a swing trader. Do you take profit by? Is it a target or is it just a feel? Is it like what do you do in this situation? Because I have the weakest puss hands in the world when it comes to swing trading these days.
well, that's the thing though, Max, about what I was just talking about, a general idea of what I expect the market to do. And it's like, you build a hypothesis, or for me, the way I would trade is I build a hypothesis for the day and then I let the trade do its thing. It's either going to work or it isn't. But what drove me mental as a trader is when I would watch the market do exactly what I expected it to do, and somehow I didn't participate, or I didn't, I screwed up the trade along the way somewhere, right? And
Right.
and so when you talk about your hands and like getting too involved, I found it easier to, hey, this is what I expect the market to do. This is my trade for the day. It's either going to work or it isn't, and then I go do something else. Because the more I would look at the screens, the closer I would get to the market, the more, even if you're a great trader, like it's hard, man. Like the emotional watching the market go in your favor and saying, "Oh my God, like look at all that money I could have had," and then it comes back, and should I take it off? Like I wasn't good enough to trade like that. So I just needed to trade like more of a central idea. And when
Right.
you really understand the market, what you'll realize is, I can see the ES on the back of my eyelids when I sleep. I know it so well,
Yeah.
right? So, you know, more times than not, the market would do, more or less what I expected it to do. And, sometimes I would, more times than not, I would, take something from the market. It wouldn't be every day, but that worked for me. And in general, what I've seen from traders is backing away from the market generally works better for them. That's not investment advice. I'm not allowed to give investment advice. I'm just saying what worked for
Of
me
course.
is
NFA, NFA,
stop.
NFA.
Yeah, yeah. Stop looking. Stop looking so close to the market and look at, more, a central, hypothesis for the day,
Right.
and then test it, right? Like that's why we have evaluations. Like, hey, how do I do when I try that? right?
That's not enough
And it's
dopamine.
important. And it's important to have some skin in the game when you try it too, because if you're just trying it on the regular simulator, it's like, ah, man, like it doesn't really feel real, right?
It's not
Um,
real.
but but if you have an evaluation, at least, even though it's sim, um, sorry guys, I can't turn my thing off. It keeps
It's all right.
beeping. But you know, at least you have some skin in the game and it's real. Like my problem when you trade in simulation with no, no eval, no test, like you're always going to do better because there's no emotion attached at all. It's like, whatever, if this works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's harder to
Right.
say that when there's real money on the line.
100%. Yeah, no, it's a different ball for sure. It's a different ball game for sure. With the new program at TPT, the way you guys have been running, have you noticed a lot with the changes in live and everything like that? Has the live program gotten pretty sharp now with the consistency traders, and it's not just the 10K rule? You're really watching the traders and finding the ones who are displaying that good level of trading consistency.
Yeah, I mean, the data has really helped us now that we have it in a centralized spot to detect also earlier. So what you'll see people saying is, hey, I've only been with TPT for like, 2 weeks and I'm getting promoted to Pro Plus, and I really haven't even done much in Pro. Well, the reason is that we can kind of predict based on your experience and your trades what's likely to happen next, right?
Right.
So, and it's not. I mean, we don't have a crystal ball or anything like that, but you'll start to see, people saying I got promoted quicker, or like, or the opposite too. Is like, man, I've been doing well, but I can't get to Pro Plus. It's like, well, maybe you need to adjust your YOLO strategy or something because it may not work, or it may not be expected to work in the live market. So it goes both ways, but having the data really helpful and having a model that says, hey, Max is the real deal, you know, let's get him into Pro Plus. And the data really helps with that.
Hell yeah, absolutely. I think it's awesome. Data and statistic driven anything is it's the math. The math behind it, you can't fail when the math is proven behind it. It's one of those realest things in the world. And it's not all fucking fluff and rainbow. It's real data, real math behind every move that you guys are making now. That's a huge system switch. I think it's awesome. I think it's amazing. I built my entire options career off of statistic based trades and data based trades.
Mhm.
Literally, I built everything off of it and made all, did very, very well for myself, and it's fucking awesome. And then the TPP live program, of course. I mean, you got a trader live. They get their own portal, their own dashboard with a TPT Pro, chat open 24 hours a day if they need help. You guys also give 5 accounts based on your account size with how much drawdown you get end of day. I mean, it probably the most fire live, quickest program in the game.
Yeah.
You can't really improve much on it. I know everyone's here like, oh, we do better, but you guys really can't do much better on your live program. And you've said it before, we can't be the best at everything, but your live program is fucking A plus. Like, I mean, it really is
Yeah.
pro. Like, it's an A plus program, and everyone. I think that's why with TPT, I notice a lot of traders still want to go live. And if you hear about these other props now, they're kind of like wannabe sim farmers forever, which is weird to me because that's like never the goal. But on TBT, I think it's still true. It's like, no, hell no, I need to get to that pro plus, like right. I guess as
Yeah.
best I can.
Yeah. I mean, it can always get better, Max, and we're trying, using data, we're trying to always make it better, right?
Right.
So we are also, you mentioned sim farming. Like, I mean, that happens everywhere. That happens, like the YOLO stuff. Like, we're pushing that stuff out personally at TPT because, we want this to be sustainable so that we can continue to make the
Mhm.
program better.
Right.
So, as I've always told you, when, things get circulated online, and a lot of it, we've talked about this a lot in the past, is like we just care about being sustainable and being here. How can we be sustainable and be here as, people that don't have any interest in actually trading and just gambling or YOLOing, like PT is probably not the right fit for you. But the people that are trying to grind it out, like, yeah, we want to get you in Pro Plus quicker, right? And we want to be able to make the program better. So it's just balancing those two, um, because everybody wants to make money. I mean, that's why we're in this game, right? It feels like a grind, and we all want to make money, but
So true.
doing
So
it responsibly, and us being able to see the data and be like, okay, guys, like, you don't need to full port the open every day. Like that's not going to work in the live market, for instance, and I
No.
don't want to get into on a tangent here, but when you talk about improving the program, we're constantly looking at ways to improve the program, and in order to do that, we need to make sure that we have responsible trading on the platform too. So that's
Right.
what really like what we're pushing for is better technology, getting you guys getting more data in front of you, and making TPT sustainable and here for the long run. You'll always hear me say that: sustainability, sustainability, sustainability.
100%.
And so that's
You
where
guys
we
have
are.
been, no, I mean, not only sustainable, but you guys are always just consistency too. And it's one thing that I tell people, being a social media influencer, how did you get so, how do you get something followed? How you do it? Consistency, consistency, consistency,
Mhm.
consistency. You have the same product that you push and you don't fucking veer off. You don't do anything crazy. You don't start testing anything that's going to fuck you up. It's just consistency over
Mhm.
everything, longevity. That's one thing you've always preached from day one
Yeah.
is like, we need to improve. We need to be consistent. We need to be here for a long time and a good time.
Yeah. And we can't be everything to everybody, right? And I think that's a big thing is that how many times have I told you this? Is there other, good firms out there and you might want rules over payouts or payouts over rules. It's just like different strokes for different folks. And you can't, you know, as much as we try to keep an eye on the industry and compete, we also want to have our own identity and be TPT and what TPT is known for. So, yeah, I just always want to point that out is because you can't be everything to everybody, and we just hope that at TPT we've got a lot of people that love it and continuing to try to make it even better so even more people love it.
100%. 1000%. I know everyone here, we love it. I love it. I know by far, I've traded a lot of basically every firm and all my partners, and but for some reason, it's weird how it happens. It's like you trade one firm and it just doesn't, I don't know what it is. It's like, I just can't trade this fucking account. But then I go to TPT and it's like, I go on a heater and I make $20,000 in a week. And I'm like, this is where I need to be. Like, this works for me. I don't know. And I know every trader here knows what I'm talking, like different strokes for different folks. So for some reason, there's just one account where it's like this account works for me. And for me personally, that's always been since Lama told me last January about TPT, I'm like, yeah, let me give him a shot. Yeah, all right, this works pretty good. All right, I like this.
It's my favorite firm.
Yeah, I like this a lot.
Thank you,
This
Lama. I
one works
appreciate
for
that.
me.
The
Yeah.
rules to me, the rules are great, and it's what you keep saying. A lot of people need to understand it that like, yes, I get it. You want to make it better, but you really can't because we want our payouts. Like, I don't want you guys to get smoked trying to make it better, and then you can't afford to pay people out. That's just the reality that people
You
don't
said it,
look
not
at.
me, Lama. You said
Like,
it, not me.
Fuck,
but
I
that's what
need
people need to understand. Like, people need to understand that it's a business. If you guys eventually start getting fucking smoked because you added crazy ass rules and then you can't pay us out, like, then people are gonna get upset you can't pay out. It's like, bro, it needs to be, like you said, strokes for different folks. Where it's like,
Yeah.
I think the rules are perfect how they are. Like, honestly, if you make
speaking
it
of
any
payouts,
easier, I'll be
yeah.
dusting you guys, and then you probably won't be able to pay out.
Speaking of payouts,
That's
you
right.
guys actually have sped up your payout process, if I'm not incorrect here, over the last few weeks. I remember the original TPT pros sometimes would be a day
A
and
day
a
or two,
half.
48 hours up to.
Right. I've been getting my TPT approvals last week were same day, early afternoons.
Yeah,
Normally
within like
it would be
4 to 6
around,
hours.
right, it would be around midnight sometimes, but I noticed that the TPT payout process has gotten better. Is there something you guys changed or tweaked on that? Because the payouts
Um,
definitely were coming quicker.
I'd have to ask your boy Matt to wear your Florida Panthers jersey. But yeah, I mean, the team is great. Like
Well, we're both shit
constantly
dogs now.
we're constantly like we're fighting for efficiencies, right? Every day, just like you probably are as a trader or in other
Right.
parts of your life. So, have teams, that follow the sun. So, typically, you know, we see people requesting payouts, same day more often, and being able to process those feels good for us, so that we can deliver on, what we tell the traders
How
that
is
we're all
Matt?
about.
How is Matt doing? I know because it's got to be tough to watch your dog shit team with the best like 3 players in the world every year, just
Lose.
absolutely shit the bed to an American team, and like there you,
Hey,
oh
what the fuck
fuck,
you saying?
He's here.
What the fuck you saying? Your team has been at home for like 5 weeks.
your team sucks, Matt. Edmonton will never win. Edmonton will never. Gretzky retired, and you're fucked. What's going
They
on,
just
brother?
need
It's
a
great
little.
to see you.
Yeah, great to see you boys. Been listening to this. You guys are awesome. Appreciate all your support. Had to draw the line when you're fucking trash McDavid and Draisaitl. So, but outside of hockey, I respect you guys. Love what you're doing. Keep it up. But yeah. Let's keep it going.
We're gonna keep it going, and you guys are doing everything consistent, everything great. I mean, it's been it's a no-brainer. Everyone loves work TPT. We had that little hiccup, and I had the most fun rampage of my life talking shit, which you guys completely remedied everything that was being taught. I mean, almost instantaneous, and then it's just like poof, TPT falls off the map again. Primary prop firm in the industry, staple in the industry. Payouts have gotten better. No, you don't hear anything. It's just like fucking amazing how that happens. And you guys just continue. We love you here. Everyone, it's just a fact. And the fact that you're just in a boardroom right now trying to figure out how you guys can grow, stay consistent, and do everything. I mean, catch you at a time like this. It's absolutely amazing. It's the best. It's the best.
Yeah,
it's so good. It's so good that it might choke in round 1 of the playoffs.
Shut your ass up. Yeah, no, if you guys are happy, we're happy and your community's happy. So yeah, and just so you guys know, like James said, we're in Chicago right now trying to figure out what the next thing is and how to be better. So we're glad you guys are loving it, but there's more to come.
Hell yeah, absolutely.
Go Oilers.
Go fucking Boo. That's it, man. James, man, I know you're in there, your board meeting. We don't want to take up too much of your time, brother. You guys are in Chicago, so that means you're probably meeting up with Dan, John, and the boys, and gonna have a wildly fucking week. So we don't want to hold you up too long. Is there anything else you want to push out to the world before we let you go?
What would you say? Yeah. You want to break that? Yeah. No, I think that's it, Max.
Hold off on that one.
Yeah. So I mean, just like Matt said, and all the guys at TPT. I mean, we're sitting around the room here with 5 guys that the kind of the brain trust, and then we have the squad all around the world that's working while we're here to try to make this better. So you'll see. Maybe we do another one of these next week after scorecard comes out. I'm really excited about that. Again, fingers crossed for tonight. You guys will see it, and then we'd love to have feedback too. If there's things that you'd like to see on there that
if you have some kind of form or questionnaire, and you guys want to build out an link form or questionnaire, we're more than happy to push that out to our communities, get down to the retail level, and get that live feedback for you. So if there's anything you guys have or need,
I think what would make more sense, Max, like you guys get your hands dirty with the tool and say like maybe, and there's going to be some video, some Q&A stuff coming out too with it. So getting your hands dirty, watching some videos, and then like if we want to do like a live, walkthrough one day in the next couple of weeks, and you can ask questions of like, hey, what's this mean or what's that mean? I wasn't clear. Like I'm happy to do that. And
that's
then,
always the best way.
And then we can, and then we can go from there of what we do, what we do in terms of like new features or like feedback. But let's get our hands dirty with the data. Like let get out there and see what it feels like, and then we can have one of these.
I get my hands dirty with my tool 3 or 4 times a day. So I mean, there's no doubt in my mind that that's the way to go, baby. That's the route. That's the route we're gonna take it. I like it a lot, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for the fucking man, the legend, the Sixer himself, James Sixsmith, the CEO, and Matt, the loser from Edmonton. Guys, we love you guys so much. Put some TPTs in the chat, baby. Put some TPTs in the fucking chat. The CEO is here. God damn it. Show some respect. We love you, brother.
Big Daddy, you giving those accounts away or what?
We did not give any accounts away yet. We're gonna go on a page here.
Okay, good.
Yeah, we're gonna go on a rampage. Arthur will be getting a massive email here in the next about 45 minutes. Right. So we love you. Thank you so much for everything. Thank
you stuff, guys. Thank you.
And we appreciate you very, very much. Looking forward to the scorecard.
See you guys.
See ya.
Wow.
Fucking Sixer, baby. The Sixer. You like how I got my shots in at Maddie, boy? You like how I got my fucking shots in? I was fucking waiting for Edmonton to take that L. I was waiting for
Every
Edmonton.
time.
As soon as Edmonton took that out, I was like, I'll text his ass right now. But I held off. I was mature about it, and I waited till I got him in person. Bro, those guys, you guys don't understand. The top brass, I call them the top brass. The top brass at TPT is awesome. Like, they're fucking awesome. They're good people, like just good ass dude, like great people who, this crazy, all the are out to get you. They want traders to fail to make money. No, TPT wants you to go live and make money for them to succeed and do better and be better. You guys don't understand that. And it's one thing, that's why when I have never shit talked, I'll defend my partners. But when people started jumping on TPT on Twitter last month, I was like, fuck no. You flip-flopping ass bitches. You flip-flopping ass bitches. I will die on that sword. And I wrote that. I said, I will die on this fucking hill because they're all flip-flopping. And then what happened? They remedied everything, continuous improvements, faster payouts, scorecard analytics and data coming for traders. They're in a conference room right now trying to make their program bigger and better. I don't give a shit.
Just a better firm, bro.
And now I'm dropping 20 accounts. Now I'm dropping 20 take profit accounts right now. 20 TPT accounts. And I'm upgrading them to 150Ks. I don't care. They told me 50. They told me 50, but I'm going for it. It's time to push the fucking envelope. They told me 50. I'm going for 150. Fuck.
Pushing the buttons, bro.
Arthur, my bad, dog. I'm going for it. But if you guys get 50s, that's great too. I'm pushing.
Ask for forgiveness later, Max.
We're asking for forgiveness. I don't give a shit, baby. I don't care about nothing. I'm YouTube. Let's see how many likes we got. 156.
All right, back to 25Ks.
Back to 25Ks.
Back to 25K accounts, brother.
Wow.
Fuck that.
I'm not starting no giveaway until we get to 333.
At the bare minimum, twin. At the bare minimum. I'm not gonna lie to you. At the bare minimum.
Tight right now.
I'm not gonna lie to you. At the bare minimum, twin.
Tight right now. Ooh, yeah.
Not gonna lie, this trade is with 10 points off from a full 300-point move.
I got my charts closed. I was so biased short today, right at night, like right at market. What time did I sit here, Sam? I saying that. It was about 10 minutes. I'd say about 10 minutes, about 9:10, about 20 minutes before market open. I told Sam 14 days in a row, we've seen the green open, continuation pump. I said, I'm holding my fucking short. I don't care. And through the pump up, I got stopped once on a little bounce. I thought I was going to do a BNR, but that was two fucking monster shorts. 20,000 on the day, baby. 20,000 on. We're at 307. Let's get to 349. It's time to get the work. First giveaway on the YouTube, baby. We're going to code word TPT. Code word TPT. Let's get to work. Sam's literally 14 years old, Pedro. You're disgusting. Code word TPT on the YouTube. We are live, baby. We are live.
If you're in the short, just hold, brother. Just hold, guys.
Get a
We have a level at 950. All we gotta do is break 29,000.
Do me a solid and start pulling up randoms from the crowd because we can't not give love.
I could do a pump up to here though. Could do a little pop up, but it's kind of worth the RR. Just continuing to hold. Look at the course chat. Let's see it. 158 points secured. Wow.
Let's get somebody up in the Discord, baby. Let's get somebody up in the Discord. We're about to have a winner. Mods, keep track of this, mods, because we're going to drop 20 accounts. We're going to drop 20 accounts.
Gotta drop 20 and gotta be quick with it. Gotta be quick with it.
To running these accounts for my fucking team, baby. I love my team. You guys don't know how much we love you. That I texted the CEO of Take Profit Trader this morning and said, will you come on the show so I could do a massive giveaway and we could see your beautiful teeth? I actually texted him and said, you know, it'd be hilarious if you left your phone on the loudest setting and it fucking went off 900 times during a live broadcast in front of 4,000 people.
Just as long as it just goes off 900 times.
The chat had me dying. They started saying ding after each one. The chat had me fucking dying. They started saying ding.
It's making that move right back up. Untested level.
Guys, remember, if you want to win an account in the Discord, one, you need to have the max options trading tag. Congratulations, EBK Sosa. The first account is yours. You better have that MOT tag in the Discord. Fuck other Discords. Who else is dropping 20 accounts? Bro, we dropped 70 plus accounts this week.
Within 72 hours.
It's fucking Tuesday. It's Tuesday.
It was Wednesday.
About
48 hours?
Bro, it's fucking Tuesday. I'm about to drop up my 70th account. Let's get to work, baby. Let's get to work. Lama, are you pulling up any random?
I'm bringing heads up.
I'm gonna get the second giveaway on that YouTube loaded, baby. We're gonna get that second giveaway YouTube, and the code word is Sixer. Sixer with 2 X's. Sixer with 2 X's. James Sixsmith. Sixer is the code word, baby. Give it up for the Sixer. CB Sounds. All we need to see is a camera.
This area you want to reject here.
What's going on?
Good, fam?
What's happening, my man? Congratulations. You're a fucking winner,
Hey, I
baby.
appreciate it. Appreciate it 100%.
What do you got to say?
Man, appreciate it. Y'all keep doing y'all thing. I love the show, bro. Man, y'all help me kind of get through my beginning stages of trading, so I appreciate y'all 100%.
Hell yeah. You're the man. Congratulations. Today, you're a big winner, my friend. 100, and I'm going for 150K TPT, baby. We're doing it.
Let's do it. Let's get it.
You're the legend. Open up a support ticket.
Appreciate you, fam. Thank you.
Kill something.
What's going on?
What you killing?
Something.
I know that's right. You have a very aggressive profile. Kill something. Your pronouns are fuck them. You have, it looks like, is that from Hunter x Hunter when he goes berserk?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I like it all. But today you're a winner, my friend.
Yeah, I appreciate it, brother.
We appreciate you. Do you have any last words?
No, I got my first payout from TPT today, actually.
First payout from TPT today.
I appreciate it.
And the boy's getting another free account.
I just want to thank Logan.
Get the phone.
Nice.
Open a support ticket. You're a piece of shit.
Respectable. We respect that. We respect that. I don't know how many people I've just brought up, but it's got to be at least 10.
All right, wait for them to come. Wait for them to trickle. Did we get our second winner yet? Nope, it's coming soon.
How do I reverse my camera?
Oh, fuck.
This is the area I said we can go up to. You want to see this reject, and then maybe you can possibly get that down move right back down. It's almost like we can read the future.
I'm about to just start trading the range breaker, bro. Like, I'm about to just start trading the range breaker. That shit has been going disgusting the last few. Just little points, little ticks. Killer Juice.
What's up, man?
Oh,
That's good.
Konnichiwa.
Oh,
Where are you from?
Look at the rejection off the
From Canada.
I told you we go up 80
But
points.
my background is Vietnamese.
Gay.
Oh,
Congratulations, though, my friend. Today, you're a big winner.
Appreciate it.
We appreciate you. Any last words?
No, thanks for all you guys do. That's it.
You're the man. Congratulations, my friend. Open that support ticket.
Brother.
And congratulations, Lucian. Lucian on the YouTube. Big time winner, my boy Lucian on the YouTube. Congratulations. Drew.
Yo,
You're muted.
Drew, my geyser.
Brewski's
what's
here.
up? How's it going?
Still muted. Rookie in the chat. Drew.
Talk to me, brother. How are you? Where'd he go?
He's there. He's just muted.
Oh
Shows
my
I'm not
God.
muted.
Wait, Drew, are you there?
Why is he yelling so hard?
Drew?
Yes, I'm here.
Drew, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, guys. I don't know if I can hear Drew. Let's give him a
Who's there? You didn't hear him?
huh?
You didn't hear him?
Who kicked him?
I didn't care.
Did he leave?
He wasn't muted. I could hear him.
Yeah, no, I was just fucking with him. I was just fucking with him. I'm an actor, you idiots. I'm a fucking actor. I got all of you. I got fucking all of you. You're all idiots. Drew, open a support ticket, my friend. You just won a TPT account. I'm an actor. I got all of you. Wow. Joe, I fucking got you, Joe. You definitely knew. I definitely fucking got you, Joe. The next Lama 8.
Yo.
What's going on?
The next
Chilling,
llama.
chilling.
What do you mean by the next Lama?
No offense, but I think he the GOAT. All right.
Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. Do you know he has diabetes?
Yeah, I know now.
Are you willing to take that on to be a great trader?
Fuck yeah.
Respect.
is.
Respect.
There it
Twin.
is.
Open a
That's my
support
girl.
ticket.
Respect that
Open a
idea.
support ticket, and you are a winner, my boy.
Good luck.
Open a support ticket. Good shit, my guy. Tropical, you've been up here for too long. And I don't know if you're waiting for something. Are hello? Sorry, sweetheart, but you're retarded. On to the next one. Here we go. YouTube giveaway 120 seconds on the clock. The code word is
Everyone heads up or no?
Lama Son. The code word is Lama Son. Lama Son. You must enter Lama Son on the YouTube. Lama Son.
Do I bring more heads up on the court or no?
I
You're gonna
don't
run the rest
yeah.
on YouTube.
Yeah. We definitely need a few more. I think we're only at like 7 or 8.
All right, bet.
Let's see who we got here. I might pick a couple from the chat. Let's see if we get a couple from the chat. Prisley. Oh, what's up, girl?
Good morning, guys.
So where you been, shawty?
Oh, working.
Oh, that's Grammy.
Granny. What's going on, Granny?
Not much, just made it through Mother's Day, so that's pretty cool.
And you're a
Who's
grandmother.
that?
So how was
I
that?
know.
How was Granny?
Wild.
Wild and fucking awesome. Just like you. Everything's been going good?
Last few months have been a little rough after my house flooded, just trading like crap. So finally passed my challenge again this morning, so we're back on track.
Good shit. And
Nice.
now here's another challenge for you. Keep the track going in the right direction,
Thanks.
Grandma. We love you. Open a support ticket. Congratulations.
Love you guys. Have a great day.
You too.
You too.
I'll knock that grandma down, boy.
Swear to God, I'll knock the dust off her ass.
Oh God, I'll fucking give her a great grandbaby.
Oh, fucking BD. Wait, what?
She is 30 something. Yeah.
30-something
Rodolfo.
Yo.
Are you black?
No, that's the Puerto Rican guy.
It's Puerto Rican, Bobby.
Bobby.
Dime, papi, dime. ¿Qué es lo que hay?
¿Qué es lo que
Dímelo,
hay, cabrón?
¿Qué es lo
Winner
que
of
hay,
the giveaway,
cabrón?
All Supernatural. That's won like 3 times this week.
I was like, wait a minute. Bobby no black. Bobby Puerto Rican.
Papi Puerto Rican, baby.
I know that's right, baby. How is Puerto Rico these days?
No black.
Hot as fuck.
I know that's right, boy. I be getting cooked. If Florida's hot right now, I know y'all be tanned up nice. What do you guys all do? Just kind of like go to El Yunque and hide up?
El Yunque.
You guys just go
Sounds
hide
good.
in the rainforest or what?
What do you guys
Go
do?
to
Go
that
to the UK?
Rio and chill out.
Well, you
Get
just
some
fucking
whiskey.
some whiskey, just hide in your garage with your little broken scooters and fucking wait for the sun to go down.
Yeah, we good.
Oh, I fucking love you, man. You guys crack me up. Congratulations, Poppy. You just
Oh,
won
so you go to
a TPT
UK?
account, baby.
Thanks, brother.
Congratulations. Open a support ticket.
Thank you, guys.
Chris Lee.
What's up, bros?
How are you? Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Chris, you got about 1 fucking millisecond to get that MOT tag on. You got that MOT tag. I don't know where it is. I don't see it, Chris. Chris, you're on the clock right now. By the time I need to see unfucking Big Daddy Max op trading tag. The greatest Discord in the world. The greatest Discord in the world. Congratulations, Paul Rupert Natural. Paul Rupert Natural on the YouTube. Congratulations. We get this guy about 15 more seconds. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8.
Bam, got it.
Siete. Congratulations, Chris Lee. You have just won a TPT account, my friend.
Thanks, bros. Appreciate you.
We appreciate you, my man. Any last words?
Nah, man, just coming back from got some payouts early this year, struggling a little bit now, just kind of, got comfortable. So back on it, watching you guys, loving it.
We all do it. One of the worst things that happen to a profitable trader is to get your first payouts. Get back on the horse, baby. Get back on the horse. Sir. Slow is smooth. Smooth is fast. No oversizing. No over trading. One and done, baby. Open that support ticket.
Yes, sir. Thank you, boys.
Mods, what are we at? Mods, what are we at? I'm going to do another. To get ready. Get set. And the code word is BDM. BDM. You should always use code BDM, especially when you're signing up for Take Profit Trader, 50% off, and all the great firms we work with. But always use code BDM, baby. That's on the YouTube only, chat. YouTube
BDM
only.
In the YouTube, guys. In the YouTube.
I don't have to say it again.
Taco hot dogs. What? I'm not gonna lie, Max.
That's not a fucking taco hot dog. That's an
empanada, bro.
That's an empanada. That's a hot dog.
That's
empanada.
A hot dog empanada. I'm not gonna lie to you. But am I okay, true?
Mayo ketchup
No,
or
no.
What's that cheese sauce you dip the yuca fries in?
Huancaína? Cheese sauce?
Huancaína in the
Peruvian one?
The
Huancaína,
Peruvian.
yeah.
Oh, imagine dipping a hot dog empanada in the fucking Huancaína.
And then sitting on it.
Who in the chat? Who in the chat's got some fucking cannon?
Yo, do we gotta call HR?
Right. You see fucking Sam trying to.
That's abusive.
Oh, beat.
Why did they make us Mexican?
And fucking short.
Right, like really short though. Who is this bird this guy keeps throwing up? She's not even bad like that.
I gotta figure out who the old lady was with the cannons.
We gotta. All right, that one's kind of tough. I'm not gonna lie, that one's kind of tough. They put code straight around duties. I'm not gonna lie, I respect that one.
Straight duties.
Straight Duthersons. I'm not gonna lie, guys, we're dumping. But like it's like almost like when we were here, I said we go up to this area and then fall back down. And there goes 80 points up, 80 points back down. Almost like I said that went back to the tape. Almost like I said that. Like almost. Like almost.
Hello. Hello.
And who made Izzy? I'm not even gonna say it, bro.
Hello. She's gone. Oh, Sydney. Sydney Sweeney, I love you. Mr. Miles Mr. Miles Deshawn. Congratulations, Mr. Miles Deshawn. Congratulations. Mods, what are we at? What are we at now, Mods?
There you go. Trying to tell you.
8 left. Ooh, 8
We only
more.
done 12. How do we only do 12? I brought up like 15 heads.
We got 8 left. Well, because they didn't come up.
Oh, they're still got their hand raised. All right, let's just go.
Is there any female female ladies, females with some absolute cannons?
Can't go wrong with cannons.
Is there any cannons in the chat?
Any cannons in the chat? Yes or no? We need a cannon.
Sorry, Liv. Sorry, baby.
Cannon.
If I wanted a 6'6" fucking rug muncher, Liv, I would have called you up. All right, but
did you just say rug muncher?
let's get a giveaway going on the YouTube, baby. Let's get a giveaway going on YouTube.
Hey guys.
Hey. Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. What you trying to do? Win 2 accounts?
I need 2. I blew my account earlier.
What else? Okay. How'd that
Do
happen?
you like that? Yes or no?
Oversizing.
Oh my god.
I like the full port.
You like
Where
it
you
big?
from? Atlanta?
Texas, Dallas.
Texas. They
This is
say
what
everything bigger in Texas.
This is what they do out in Dallas?
Everything is bigger in Texas.
What is that? What is that back there? That's a sauna?
Yes, a sauna.
Can you
That's a
open it real
sauna?
quick for me?
That's not a sauna.
Nice. That's nice.
Yeah, it's a sauna.
What the fuck are you doing at 10:50 in the morning? It's like 9:30 in the morning. Why you look like that?
Well, I look like this.
Yeah.
I got bad hair. I look a mess, actually.
Say mess again right now.
Mess.
Give me a plane ticket to Dallas right now. Get me on a plane to Dallas.
How old are you?
I'm 30.
Don't fucking matter.
How many kids you
turned
got?
30 in January. No kids.
Where your man at?
I don't got one.
If you did, I don't care. I'm just
Right.
asking.
Right. Irrelevant fucking question. What do you need and how can I do it for?
I need help working on my discipline.
You need
Yeah,
daddy.
you need like a one-on-one
daddy
call.
You need daddy to come discipline you.
Yeah, I need discipline.
Mm-hmm. I can help you with that.
Where's the link and where do I get in? Let's be honest here. Let's just be honest here. Where's the link?
Where's the link? What link?
Fuck a link. Where's the Addy? Lexi, I need you to normally we would open a support ticket, but I need you to actually hit me in the DM for your TPT account.
Okay.
All right, because you know
Yeah.
we just got to make sure that I want to make sure that we don't just give a TPT account away without providing a little bit of discipline with it. You know, because if
I
you need
definitely
that, if you need that, I'm a man. I'm here to provide. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you, Big Daddy. I definitely need discipline.
I know that's right. All right, so you go ahead and open up a DM. All right, and I'm gonna be right with you. And let me finish one. All right, I'm gonna finish this little show, and then I'm gonna be right there with you. All right.
Okay. Bye, guys.
I'm not gonna lie to you, twin. I'm gonna keep it real with you. I would make Martin Luther King so fucking proud.
On
Like
God,
that. Man, like that.
Rosa Parks can have any seat she wants. She could sit in the front of the Rolls Royce. I don't give a fuck. She could drive the Rolls Royce. Oh God, I'm cranking my shit right when I get off of here.
Word of God.
Giveaway in the YouTube. Get ready for that giveaway on the YouTube. The word of the day, baby. Max Options Trading. Max Options Trading giveaway is live on the YouTube. Max Options Trading. Type in the word Max Options Trading on the YouTube for your chance to win a TPT account. The greatest network in the world is Max Options Trading. Ugh. It's got me flustered. Wow, I'm a little flustered right now.
I'm not gonna lie, twin. One-on-one calls are back open. Only letting in one person. Though. I'm only approving one.
Bro,
fuck that.
You know I like a long-haired, thick red bone.
Mm-hmm.
Open up my legs, it's that filet mignon that.
Make it a double D requirement off the Ripski double D requirement, and one-on-ones are back open at $10.
I'm actually doing coaching sessions for free for the rest of the day, and I might pay you. I'm actually doing coaching sessions for free. You might win. You might make money during about, if you really perform, about 349 credit per minute. Who the fuck is Unk Unk? Let's bring Unk Unk up here.
Wow. Astounded. I don't know how I even found that specimen.
I don't know how you did either, but I know she's been in the chat for a minute.
I seen the name, but then when I seen the pic, I was
Clarissa,
like,
congratulations, Clarissa. Clarissa, you have won a TPT account. Clarissa. Unk Unk. Tagged her up, boss. Need a gram.
can we
Give me the
get her
gram.
IG shit? I need it too. What do you mean, can we get it? I need that shit too. Where is that?
Right, show some respect. Show some respect.
My boy said B-Day account, dropped a picture of his ID. Oh shit. Holy fuck.
B-Day account. Do I have a meeting today?
That's my boy M Sleazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie, we gotta give that boy.
We have a meeting? Oh, damn. Bro, that dude from the fucking card show who was flexing his LeBron and Jordan cards, he tagging me and shit now, trying to get me to collaborate on posts and shit on his social.
Oh, bro, I've seen him 3 times in the past week, bro. He's been at every trade show out here, and it kind of throws me off.
Yeah, I've been trying to get me to tag socials.
Not happening, brother.
Bro, that's not how this works.
Minimum 20K requirement.
It's literally not how this works.
All right. Who else got some fucking cannons on them? You got some competition now.
I just caught. I mean, obviously, we got the Cannon Queen. Priscilla is the Cannon Queen. I feel like. I always think it's funny that we say things like that, and then I know her husband's listening right now too. Shout out, Chef. Shout out, Chef. I appreciate you letting me call your wife the Cannon Queen, and her coming up here to show the Cannon Queens.
Boy, Chef, like, bro, just keep calling trades, twin. Shit don't matter.
Right. Where'd Big Daddy Joe at? There goes Chef's like, big shout. Why can't I text in Discord? You have to be verified. Make sure you're verified. if you have verification. Smooth, bruh.
Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
God,
Fucking
dog.
Smooth is just doing what he
hate,
does.
I hate this motherfucker, dog. I hate this motherfucker, dog.
There's officially the 300 point down move right then and there. Final level is going to be sitting down here at 950.
I hate him, bro.
Crazy.
Did the max options trading winner get picked? Yep, it was. Oh yeah, it was Clarissa. It was Clarissa. What do we got? What do we got left? I know Max would have sucked a fart out of that ass and held it like a bong rip.
No lie. I feel that. I would have ghosted that shit.
Do you know me? I feel like he knows me. I don't know. I invited like 6 people up. Let's get one more going away. Baby, here we go. YouTube. Code word is take profit trader. Code word is take profit trader, baby. Code word is take profit trader. Maybe it's, oh man, who invited him up here, bro? Who invited fucking Steam ass up here, bro?
Bro, you said my name right the first few times. It's Sema, like Sema.
Summer. Who got the keys to my bima? No one mind.
Recognize.
What's up, Sema?
There you go. Okay, let's go. You want to say hi? Okay, say hi real quick. Okay, say bye.
What's up?
I'm watching Ping Pong. You about that life?
Nah, my wife won't let my daughter watch TV yet.
Yeah, no, not at that age.
No,
This one's 4 and how
my
she's
wife's
got
we're adamant about no screen time until she's at least 3. So she doesn't even know she don't even know what a TV looks like yet.
I'm so glad I came up because I've been wanting to say something for the longest time. I'm not neither one of your students. I bought the indicators, but all the stuff that you guys have taught me, the free chicken over the year and a half that I've been with you guys, taking payouts, I can't say enough about you guys. I am a long-time follower, and I am loyal to you guys. End of story.
That was it.
I appreciate that, boy. That means a lot.
I was hoping he would say one of us is gay.
I definitely thought you
end. Any last words? Lama's gay.
Right, there you go. There you go. No, we appreciate that, brother. I mean, I'm glad that people can actually learn off of the like free things that we provide, the education, even like just grabbing the indicator is something that's like entry level investing in education can help you out. Well, that's fire, bro. We appreciate that.
You have no idea how much you guys do for people, and everybody should recognize all those haters. Fuck them.
Fuck them all, baby. We don't have many haters, to be honest. And even if I do, I really don't give a fuck, and I just ignore them. You know, attention-seeking behavior just gets ignored, and I think it drives people more nuts. All I care about, bro, is trading good and giving back to my community. That's all I care about, honestly. Like, I literally don't care about nothing else. I'm trying to build more companies, blow up the fucking industry, put my people on. If I can ride first class, get my boys in first class, and that's really just it.
You guys have created a community of support. I am now around with Yucky, with Flames, with Ramon, Renee, Drew. We got Nate Dogg, like all those people I can reach out to. We chit chat, we chop it up, we check in on each other. So it's a true community.
Hell yeah. Good shit, my man. And congratulations. A big ass winner today, baby. A TPT account. And we appreciate you and your support. Keep grinding, keep learning them fucking indicators because you know you can take this TPT account could be like a fucking ATM machine for you.
Appreciate it. Thank you guys so much.
We thank you, brother. Open that support ticket.
Well,
like that.
I was hoping he'd finish it off with a bang, and he was just being nice. Like, what is that about?
He's a nice guy.
Oh shit! That boy caught a fucking alligator this week.
Damn, he's a thug. He had a fucking alligator?
That boy caught a fucking alligator.
What about the first row up here? M. Tuttle, Kevin Zirk. The first row don't ever get no love. I feel like the first row ain't never getting no love.
I always skip past that shit.
Always skip it right past. Here we go. First
Oh,
row.
shit, look who's in the first row. Lexi Nicole.
Lexi Nicole, get her up here.
Yeah, I think we gotta run a random giveaway.
Do a random giveaway. Got a random giveaway.
Again.
Oh wow. Wow, it's
Shit.
crazy. We did a random number. It picked you twice. What are the chances of that?
What are the odds?
You know what they say? Things are better in pairs. Shout
That's
out
crazy.
pairs.
They say if you didn't fall in love the first time, better try again.
Right, I know that, right?
I know that's right.
You have the most beautiful smile.
Oh, thank you. Lama, you're so goofy.
You like Goofy?
So what's going on? What we doing?
Nothing. I'll let you know when I land.
Okay.
Kev Zirk. You're muted. Different kind of attractive here. Like if I was still in the army, I'd try and hook up with you probably. You're still muted. Kind of look like Superman, twin. Fuck this guy. How tall are you?
What's going on, gang?
How tall are you?
Am I still muted or you fucking
No, I can hear you. I can hear you now. How tall are you?
5'11"?
5'11". All right, you can stay. Congratulations, my boy. You just won a free account, Big Daddy Kev. How are you? How the hell you get muted again? Am I bugging? Wait a minute. How did you accidentally mute?
Man, started following you guys this week, trying to figure out which course
Oh, it's
to
just
pick up.
lagging.
So
Good shit. Just lagging. But no, we hear you. You're lagging really bad. You look like Superman. Congratulations, my boy. You just won a TPT account. Open up that
bad
support
lag.
ticket. Yeah, bro, you're lagging. Like it's crazy bad delay. Like it's like I don't know if you can hear me right now, but I'm hearing what you said fucking at the beginning of this conversation. So, just open up that support ticket, brother. I can't even, bro, that lag is crazy. That was crazy. Jay Scott. What's going on? What's going on?
Not much. Enjoying the day outside right now.
Outside? Man, it's way too hot.
Not northern Indiana, it's not.
Not Indiana. What are you doing up there?
Right now, working.
You're working right now?
Yeah.
Where you work at? What do you do?
Basically, it's an apartment management company that when people move out, we go in, repair, fix, paint, do all the dirty bullshit, and then allow other people to move back in.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So you just fucking chilling, waiting for someone to move out, move in.
Yeah. We're almost done here at this apartment, so about to go to the next one as soon as we finish it.
Hell yeah. Good shit. Do you do the landlord special painting over like the light switches and you just fucking
We try not to.
slap paint on everything?
Yeah, we don't actually own the properties. We just manage them for your landlords or slumlords, depending on how they are.
Yeah. Very nice. Well, hey, congratulations, my friend. You just won a TPT account.
Oh yeah, appreciate it, fellas.
We appreciate you and your support, my guy.
Awesome.
Thank
Have a
you.
good one, guys.
You
Thanks.
too. Open that support ticket.
Will do. Thanks.
We got one more account left. Wow, one more. One more account left. I think I'm gonna go ahead and run that last one. We got one more left. We got one more left. How are we gonna decide the last one? I gotta go in about 5 minutes. What are we gonna do, chat? What are we gonna do? Trying to get out of this RV, bro.
Wow.
What does that mean? Trying to get out of this God. That's why she holds the title. You know what I'm saying? That's why she got the title. That's the title right there. That's the title. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
So Priscilla gets the last account, or I'm a new dad. How new? How new? We've given them titties like 10 grand worth of fucking accounts. I agree. Them titties got more accounts than fucking half the people in this Discord. My baby was born on the 9th. You had a baby 3 days ago? Hold on,
How
that
the
dude.
fuck you found that one? Bang, 786, final TP. Final TP. Wow. Wow, wow, and wow. Now, if this bleeds through, you take it to yes to 786. Wow, wow, and wow. Wow, wow, and wow. Of course, coach is already following. This guy's a fucking legend, bro. I swear to God, bro. That was already there, bro. Like, what the
Crazy
fuck?
how the mutuals automatically say coach.
Every time.
Now I'm just gonna hit the
Maybe
YouTube for the
360
last
points in the
giveaway.
probability,
YouTube
man.
chat. Hit those likes on the YouTube, baby. Hit those likes on the YouTube. We're just gonna do it firm and fair right on the YouTube. Everyone go to the YouTube. Last one. We're gonna do the last one. It's only for keep it firm and fair. Just let a random motherfucker hit. Congratulations, everybody. What a day. Unbelievable. 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 Last code word is Taco Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday, baby. That's the last code word on the YouTube. Type in the word Taco Tuesday and someone will win the last Take Profit Trader account. Amazing, amazing show. An amazing. You guys did a wonderful, wonderful job. Congratulations to those who made absolute crazy breach on today's trading session. It was fucking unbelievable. Whew. Guys, remember, nothing we do is financial. We're not financial advisors. We're filming the greatest fucking morning show in the world, the Big Daddy Morning Show, presented by the Max Options Trading Network. Make sure you guys come tap in with the greatest team in the fucking game, me and the one and only Lama, Red Pajama, Mr. Sober, Pay to Play. Make sure you guys lock in with the Pay to Play University and the pre-market access, P2P Algo, the number one indicators in the fucking game for a reason, baby. If you want to learn the Max Way is the only way. Tap into the Mastermind. And if you want all the sauce, you can check out Futures One. Remember to tip the staff. Oh no, just came in. I can't even see it because the screen's moving so fast. Top chat. I can't even see it, unfortunately. But thank you for the dono. Guys, remember to tip the staff. They work completely off of tips. All the donations on YouTube, tips, and buy them a cup of coffee. They go amazing quick. Do you read some of your Insta chats? If they're relevant, maybe. If they're not, then probably get deleted automatically by my assistant or someone else. Make sure you guys tip the staff. And remember, great day, great day. Power hour coming up with the boys. Then we have the podcast, Traders and Haters podcast at 5 o'clock, and we will transition into the happy hour. So a major fun-filled day of programming for you guys at the network with Taco Tuesday, baby. Amazing fucking show. Easy fucking gains. Free chicken 2 days in a row. So we love y'all. Amazing. And guys, big shout out to Take Profit Trader. Big shout out to Take Profit Trader. James, we appreciate you. Matt, all of the fucking staff over at Take Profit, one of our top partners. 50% off sale for another 5 days, guys. 5 days to get 50% off. Don't forget to use code BDM or P2P when it comes to TPT. We appreciate and love all y'all. Thank you guys for your support. If you fuck with us, we fuck with you. I think we're at like 160,000 in giveaways in the fucking 5 months. It's actually berserk, the averages that we're doing right now. So pushing the envelope is what we do best. We love you guys. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you around 2:45 for the power hour. Big Daddy Lama.
Insane fucking day, guys. Precision will always pay. Make sure to go tune in today to the happy hour. Into the power hour, then followed into the happy hour, guys. Just wait for the bros. They're killing it. No need to overtrade right now. Make sure to tap into TPT. 50% off for the next 5 days. And if you want to use any other prop firm, you can use code BDM on every single firm, guys. That's how we continue to get accounts to give away to you guys. We're over 70 accounts given away in the past 48 hours. Not even your local paid Discord is giving away a fraction of that. Keep that in your head. Amazing day, guys. Shit's over 300 points in profit. Call the top. Nothing new. Pleasure. See you there. Love you guys. If you see any of the educators from the MOT community, go repost them. Go follow them. Go show them love. Go follow Logan, go follow Javi, go follow Izzy, go follow Coach, go follow Jake, go follow Max's other page, Max Trading, guys, and show some love. We appreciate y'all. We love y'all. We'll be back tomorrow and go tap in with the power hour starting at 2:45. See y'all there. Good shit today, Max.
See y'all. You killed it, baby. You killed it. Anna K. Kick fire on them hoes. We'll see you guys 5 o'clock, baby.
Coffee steam and the green candle. Big Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Preaching price levels, lighting up the channel. Verse 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's short and on sight. Let's go. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Raise hands up when the profits grow. Gospel in the game. Entertaining on the internet. Yo, Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo, Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone, he's all in with a grin. If it cracks that floor, he's dancing out again. Step out. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Raise hands up when the profits grow. Gospel in the gang, hallelujah, hallelujah on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet, yo. Candles talk, what they saying? They say trend strong, y'all keep praying. Which shout, what they showing? They show turnarounds, time to get going.